Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, which means I can sell you everything you see here today. Just a quick thing, today is Simple Stamping Day, and today I want to show you how you can create the same card, a simple stamping card with two different looks. So what we're going to be using is we're using the Delicate Dahlias. This was a free stamp set you could earn during celebration. We are going to be using Memento Black, Polished Pink, Just Jade for the first one. And then we're going to be using Shaded Spruce, Magenta Madness, Polished Pink, and Just Jade for the second one. For our cardstock, we are just going to be using the basic white note cards and envelopes. So the first one is going to be an easy one. We are going to ink up the lined stamp. This is a two-step stamping stamp set. It's also a distinctive set, so you will see that. I'm just going to stamp the outline up towards top. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. Okay, then I'm going to clean this off. Then I am going to stamp with Memento the leaves a couple of times, the lined leaves a couple of times. Mainly I just wanted to show you how things look different. I'm going to put that away. Then I'm going to put in the solid stamps. And I'll show you how to line up this solid one. You see this part that's right out on its own? You're going to line that up just like this. Get all the rest of them lined up. Then pick it up. I'm going to put polished pink on it. And then I'm going to line it up again. But it's fairly easy now that you have it. You know where it is. Perfect. Then I'm going to take the filled, oops, better wipe this one off because I'll throw it on there without any thinking of it. Okay. Then I'm going to take the Just Jade. Two-step stamping, perfect. I love two-step stamping with the photopolymer stamp sets because you can see exactly where they go. Cleaning this one off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the saying and I'm going to do polished pink with the saying, "You inspire me." Okay, there goes the first one. Now I want to switch this up just a little bit and show you how it will look a little bit differently. So I'm going to put on this one again. Grab my other one. This time, I'm going to use a darker color of the one that I want to do. So I'm using Magenta Madness. Get that little off of there. I just want to use, now you could use real red. You could use any of the other dark pinks. Now that looks pretty as is. You can color those if you want. And then I'm going to put on the leaves. This time I'm going to do the leaves with the lined leaves with shaded spruce. Okay, now I'm going to fill these both in. Take that one off, take this one off, and this one again I want to set up just like that. And I'm going to do polished pink. This is almost like no line watercoloring. You can see the little bit of difference with the darker Magenta Madness. And then I'm going to use the shaded spruce on the filled, the solid leaves. Oh, not just jade. And then with the polished pink, now there are two quick and easy simple stamping. Same exact card done the same way, just using different line drawing, using the memento here and a darker line drawing one there. And it looks totally different. Same colors inside, everything. So that's just a way you can snazz up some of your simple stamping. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make these are down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.